packed and dressed, which means we are off to the airport and we are off to Cyprus. It is 2:30 in the morning, super early, super tired. I have a little bit of makeup on. I just put a little bit of skin tint, some little bit of bronzer and blusher just to wake my face up a bit and make myself look alive. And then I'll quickly show you my outfit. So I have these joggers from Zara and this little top, little no sleeve top from Zara, and then I've got a little crop jacket from Pretty Little Thing, and then I'm going to put my Uggs on. Can't think what they're called, the slipper Uggs. I'm going to put those on to wear so they're nice and comfy on the plane. So yeah, super comfy outfit, so I shouldn't be too hot when I get off either, but then if it's a bit chilly on the plane I'm still warm. But we're ready to go. We've just weighed our cases. One was 23.8 and one was 22 point something, so fingers crossed when we get there. We did only weigh them on home scales, so hopefully that is accurate enough. Come with us on our travel day. We're sending you out for your last wee-wees for 2 weeks. Well, not your last wee-wees for 2 weeks, but the last time we send you out. Go on in, good boy. Don't worry, Miko isn't staying here on his own. My friend Sadie's house sitting for us, so she's also having Miko along with the house sitting. He's coming over later this morning, so he's only going to be on his own for a couple more hours, although he's probably very confused why it's the middle of the night and we're getting up and leaving. But I'm gonna miss him so much, my poor little Mickey Mouse. But we are going to jump in the car. We're driving up to my mum's because they're driving to the airport. We're gonna leave our car there. Yeah, let's get this journey going. This is Steve's bag. This is heavier than mine. We just dropped our bags. Steve's was over by, was it 1.8? 1.8, yeah. And mine was under by 0.2. But we thought Steve's was going to be over because I did chuck a lot of stuff in there, like sun creams, shampoo, conditioner, all that sort of thing. So now we are, what are we doing? Heading to security. Yep. Now we're just heading to security, so I've got to turn this off so that we can go through. See you in a bit. We've just had some food at Wetherspoons. I just had beans on toast. What did you have? Eggs Benedict. I got a little neck pillow because it is a very early morning flight and we land about 2 p.m. Cyprus time, so we have a whole afternoon and evening to get through. So I was thinking I might have a little nap on the plane, so I've got a little neck pillow so it's a bit more comfortable. We're now just heading to our gate. It's just come up on the app what gate we need to go to. Can't wait. It feels like forever that we've been on holiday. No, forever that we haven't been on holiday. What gate is it? 101. Oh, so quite far.
It's a long old walk.
Okay, so we've got quite far to go. Gate 101. Finally on the plane. It was delayed for about half an hour. Yeah, it was delayed for about half an hour because they were missing a cabin crew member. So I mean, it could have been anything. Someone could have called in sick or something, so they needed someone quick. But we are now on the plane, so we're just waiting for everyone else to get on with speedy boarding, so we got on pretty quick. We will see you on the other side. descent other side, we've got a taxi waiting for us. It feels so nice to be in this kind of heat though, doesn't it?
Lovely, yeah.
Oh, it's so nice. That feeling when you step off the plane for the first time, it's just so nice. We have all the bags. Off we go to start the holiday. We just got to the apartment, so I'll show you what it looks like. It's very hot at the moment because the aircon wasn't on, so we just switched it on because we're all sweating. Steve and Lee have gone to the shop to get some drinks for the apartment, and I'll quickly do you a little apartment tour. This is the front door. You come in here and you come into like a little living room area, and then it's sort of open plan into a little kitchen. Not that we really use the kitchen that much, we might use it for like breakfast and stuff. And then you have a balcony. I actually don't know how to open this. Balcony, some chairs, and then this is the pool area out here. Nice little pool to swim and sunbathe in during the day with this little bridge that you can't actually walk over, but it looks cute and it looks really nice at night because you've got all the lights and stuff. This is our little bathroom, just normal sink, mirror, toilet, and then a bath and shower. And then this is our room. So we do have 2 single beds, but we're just going to move that to the side and push them together to make a double bed. And then out of this little window here, we have another little mini balcony. And we usually use this to dry like our swimming costumes and stuff after we've been by the pool all day. But we are just going to unpack our stuff and put it all in the cupboards. Then we're going to probably have a little drink, get changed, and then go find a bar and a restaurant for dinner and drinks for tonight. We have unpacked. This is what my side of the wardrobe looks like. Obviously this is shared. We bought a lot of toiletries. So I've just quickly got changed. I've just put on some little denim shorts and then my Birks. We're just gonna go for dinner. So I just stuck this on just so I'm not too hot, because I'd definitely be way too hot in my joggers. We are back at the apartment. We've just got back from dinner. Well, about half hour ago got back from dinner. We went to a nice little meze at a taverna, an outside taverna, and it's really nice, like authentic Cypriot food. Did you enjoy it, Steve?
Yeah, it was awesome. Yeah.
We just come back, had showers and freshened up because it's been a long day. We've been up since, well, Steve got up at 1:30, I got up at 2:30. It's been a long day and it's very, very hot and humid here, which I'm not complaining about because I'd much rather it be like this than rainy and cold like it can be in the UK. But yeah, we're actually going to get an early night tonight. It's only 10:20, but we're planning on getting up at a reasonable time tomorrow to go to the supermarket and get some bits for the apartment, and then we're probably going to have a full pool day tomorrow. I want to get a good night's sleep to catch up on the sleep we lost last night so it doesn't like continually affect the evenings, because there's nothing worse than feeling tired when you just want to enjoy yourself. It's been a really good day, nice smooth travel day. Even though we were delayed a little bit, it actually was yeah, absolutely fine. I hope you enjoyed coming along on our travel day. If you did, please give the video a massive thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to see future vlogs, Cyprus vlogs, all that sort of thing. I will be vlogging some of the days in Cyprus, the more exciting days, because some of the days we're just going to be lounging around the pool and then going for dinner, but the days that we're actually out doing stuff I will vlog, so subscribe if you want to see those videos. Thank you very much for watching and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye bye.